A day in our life as travelers. Hi travelers! Today, we're heading to Fort Santiago because we want to see the place where Jose Rizal spent his final day before he was executed. Join us as we explore this historic site and discover the stories behind its walls.
Hi mga ka-travel! So, andito kami ngayon kung napapansin niya sa may Fort Santiago. Bakit? Kasi nag-decide kami na i-visit ang matagal na naming
gustong puntahan.
And nandito ako, kasama ko si Shirley Main, which is ang aking videographer ngayon. And dapat talaga, andito na si Janine, kaso nga lang, naliligaw pa siya. So, magpuproceed na tayong pumunta sa Fort Santiago. Tara!
Hi guys! Ako si Shirley, ang kasama niya mag-vlog at ang kanyang videographer. So ngayon papunta na kami sa kung saan kinulong si Rizal at ang kanyang Rizal Shrine. Tama?
Nakikita niyo yan?
Rizal Shrine, guys. Sagutin mo kasi yung tanong ko.
Yes, tama yun. Kaya nga tayo nandito eh.
So ngayon maglalakad na kami and yung mga kasama namin, mga best friend namin nandyan. Ayan o. Nag-vlog din sila kasi interested din sila sa life works ni Rizal. Ayan.
Tama.
Punta na kami guys.
We encourage you na puntahan nyo talaga to kasi para marami kayong matututunan dito.
At
and
maganda din siya talaga.
Babait ng mga graduates here.
Guys, ito na ating Fort Santiago. Ito ay located sa Intramuros, Manila. Ito daw ang isa sa pinaka-historical site sa Pilipinas kasi may malakas daw to na connection kay Dr. Jose Rizal.
Today, we're here at one of the most iconic and meaningful places in Intramuros, Plaza de Armas, located inside Fort Santiago. So this open space you're seeing is called Plaza de Armas, the main central plaza inside Fort Santiago. During the Spanish colonial period, this area served as a military parade ground where soldiers trained, assembled, and prepared for inspections.
And mga ka-travel, nakita nyo naman kung gaano kadami ang mga turista nandito ngayon sa Intramuros or sa Fort Santiago. Sabihin, marami ang gustong alamin o maraming gustong matuto sa kung anong nangyari kay Rizal at kung anong mga kanyang mga ginawa. Yan. Marami tayong mga foreigner, marami tayong mga Pilipino. Yan. Kasi gusto nilang malaman kung anong nangyari kay Rizal at kung anong meron sa ating bansa. So mga ka-travel, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Shrine of Rizal. Yan. Pakita natin. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, dito ikinulong si Jose Rizal. Diyan sa loob na yan. Bawal kasi mag-video guys, kaya hindi kami pwedeng pumasok sa loob. Hanggang dito lang kami.
So, explain na lang din namin na dito sa may shrine of Jose Rizal, dito niya in-spend yung kanyang last day before his execution noong 1896. So, hi mga ka-travel! Welcome to the shrine of Dr. Jose Rizal, one of the most important historical landmarks in the Philippines and a place that preserved the final chapter of our national hero's life. So, it is located inside Fort Santiago in Intramuros, Manila. The shrine stands as a memorial and museum dedicated to Dr. Jose Rizal, his works, his ideas, and his ultimate sacrifice for the country's freedom. So before we continue, to all my fellow travelers, we aren't allowed to take videos inside the shrine of Jose Rizal. So what you'll see are clips taken only from the allowed areas. So this helps protect the artifacts and preserve the historical items inside. So as you enter the shrine of Jose Rizal, you'll immediately feel the deep historical atmosphere. The museum houses Rizal's personal belongings, including his letters, manuscript, clothing, medical tools, and even the original copy of Mi Ultimo Adios. So this is the farewell poem he wrote on the eve of his execution. So each artifact gives us a glimpse into his brilliance not only as a writer but also a doctor, scientist, and patriot. So one of the most emotional parts of Shrine of Rizal is the actual prison cell where Rizal spent his last night, guarded by Spanish soldiers. So here, he calmly wrote his final reflections while waiting for the sunrise that would take him to Bagong Bayan, now tinatawag siyang Luneta Park. So dito siya na-execute noong December 30, 1896. So this cell is preserved to remind us of the quiet courage he carried until the very end. So just outside the museum, you'll find the bronze footprints embedded on the stone pathway. This marked the exact road Rizal walked from his Fort Santiago cell to the place of his execution. So walking along with this path is powerful. It feels like retracing the steps of a man who faced death with dignity and unwavering love for his country.
Sorry, hindi namin napakita yung video kasi bawal talaga.
Sa next destination na lang natin. Pero explain naman namin later on kung ano yung mga nandun sa loob. So, and maganda din na puntahan nyo siya mismo para mas ma-appreciate.
Magpapakita na lang kami ng mga litrato kasi yun lang yung pwede sa loob. So guys, meron pa naman kami mga pupuntahan kaya antayin nyo lang. Thank you guys.
See you later. So finally, after a long day of exploring Rizal life inside Fort Santiago, now kakain muna kami syempre. And after, syempre we're so excited because kasama na namin si Janine sa aming next location, which is
so kakatapos lang namin kumain. Tapos, papunta na kami ng Luneta Park.
Walking distance lang naman siya, so all good.
So, here we are. Nandito tayo sa Rizal Park Open Air Auditorium. Dito ginaganap yung mga pagtatanghal ng sayaw, musika, at mga programa ng pamahalaan. At libre lang dito pumunta guys. Yan. Medyo di pa nila naayos, under renovation ata ito guys. And here's my friends! Hi mga ka-travels! So, nakikita niyo itong lugar na to. This is the place of execution of Dr. Jose Rizal noong December 30, year of 1868. Anong year ulit yun?
1896.
Yes, year of 1896. Makikita natin dito na nakatalikod siya nung binaril. May ibig sabihin yan, o may simbolo. At ang mga bumaril sa kanya ay grupo ng firing squad. Ang issue lang dito is yung mga bumaril sa kanya ay mga Pilipino. Kapwa niya Pilipino. At yun ay yun ay under sa kautusan ng Espanya.
Espanyol. Pwede rin Espanyol.
Government Spanish.
Tapos, makikita nyo, ba't ba siya nakatalikod? May simbolo yan, may explanation. Kaya
Nagaling sa Espanyol.
Ng pagtataksil o pagtalikod sa gobyerno ng Espanya. Pero nung binaril siya, pinilit niyang humarap. Kaya yung pagbagsak niya sa kanyang kamatayan ay nakatagilid.
Hindi siya totally talagang nakatalikod.
Hindi talaga siya nakatalikod. At nung pagbagsak niya, nakaharap siya sa langit.
So yun, may mga tinanong namin na nagpipicture-picture ng mga video dito. Sabi nila, yun nandun daw sa loob ng Rizal Monumento na yun is yung mga buto daw ni Rizal. Kaya bawal na rin daw pumasok sa loob kasi dati nung mga past few years ngayon, pwede pa kasi talagang pumasok yan sa loob. Pero ngayon kasi bawal na. Pero ang sinasabi ng mga nag-photographer dito, kaya daw siya sinara para hindi daw istorbohin ng mga Philippine Marine? Tama ba? Philippine Marine or Philippine Army. Yun lang. Bye-bye again. You should like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the bell.
We are Group 1 guys. My name is Shirley Main Andrade and this is Maria Christine Marabiles and this is Princess Janine Busa. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you guys.